Here's the perfect little challenge for you. Once you have your colors in your pan and your swatches laid out, why not go back in and create a color wheel for yourself with the watercolors you already have, or the ones you decided to put into your watercolor palette. This is the perfect little challenge to get you going and try out all of these colors while creating a color wheel you can constantly reference. You can follow the basic guidelines going in rainbow order, or you can experiment and see what colors will blend better with each other as you go around the color wheel. It's completely up to you how you do that. And it's going to be a loose and free and expressive little experiment for your eyes only.